packing for about a 5-day trip. So I like to take a Omnipod for each day. Get an extra vial of insulin, test strips just in case my Dexcom doesn't work or malfunctions. Syringes if for whatever reason Omnipod pods malfunction. Glucagon, of course, always. Glucose, these are a godsend. I have my Omnipod, my vial of insulin, backup batteries, my tester, Lancets, and of course another sensor. So I am all set for a 5-day trip. So I'm actually going to put 2 of my Omnipods in my suitcase. I'm actually carrying both of these on, but just in case I were to check a bag, I hardly ever put supplies in a checked bag. I like to have them in 2 places for whatever reason. Things get lost, misplaced. I have a backup set. So I'm going to put this in my carry-on and be ready to roll. Super excited to go on a trip. Spring break, everyone. These are some of my favorite low-carb keto snacks. Seaweed. Love seaweed. Taking 2 of those. Dark chocolate. I like it 100% or better. Raw chocolate even better. But this 90%, I'm going to take that with me. These Just the Cheese are pretty amazing. Aged cheddar from Wisconsin. You need to see those. So less than 1 carb. Fat, 12 grams. And if you're looking at calories, I don't look at calories, but let's see here. No wheat, gluten-free, awesome. These are from my best friend Heather in Wisconsin. So these beef sticks are going with me. And then of course mixed nuts. I have a variety of nuts in here. That should last me the whole trip.